Welcome to my arts and craft video. Today I'm going to show you how to burn your design on a cutting board. What will you need? A pencil, a printed design, an eraser, of course a cutting board, and a pyrograph. So here's a tip. Take your printed design and cut it out. With some tape, hold it onto your cutting board and trace the outline with a pencil. Then you can fill in the rest much easier. Now, take your Pyrograph pen and you can start tracing your design. Now that we're done, we can take our eraser and erase the pencil marks. This is our final design. I hope you enjoyed my tutorial and sign up for more upcoming crafts. Thank you guys!